Taxation of Social Security benefits. How much you'll pay. I have all the details and exactly what you need to know right here in the video. Let's get right into it. I know in this video, I will be discussing exactly what I just said, which is taxation of Social Security benefits and the real numbers, as in dollar amounts and percentages you need to know, because yes, it is true, Social Security benefits are taxable by the federal government for millions upon millions of beneficiaries, and something you certainly need to know about, because if you were unaware of this, this would be a very unwelcome surprise when you get a bill from the IRS saying that you owe taxes on your Social Security benefit. So let's get into it and talk through the details, and I will talk about all the dollar amounts and the percentages you need to take into consideration if you are a Social Security beneficiary. Let's get right into it. Really fast before we do, thanks for joining me. If you have not done so yet, make sure to do yourself a huge favor. Hit that subscribe button right down below the video. It is totally free to do so, and I'm here for you right by your side every single day, watching the latest details hitting the wire, all the new bills, packages, proposals, anything popping up right now that may impact you, your money, your benefits, your lifestyle, your bank account, and of course anything else coming up through the entire year of 2024. I will continue to bring that to your attention right away. As we all know, it's all about you, the fixed income beneficiary, in 2024, as I've said so many times before, and I'm here to advocate on your behalf in any way that I possibly can. So again, thanks for joining me. Please subscribe down below, share this video with your friends, family, social media, so they can also know this information, as it is very important. All right, thanks again. Subscribe down below. Let's get into it and talk about taxation of your Social Security benefit and all the dollar amounts, the percentages, everything you need to know about this. All right, so I want to clarify this really quickly. First off, I'm talking about federal taxes, okay? Now, there are a number of states out there that do tax your Social Security benefits, but I'm talking about federal taxes here, okay? The state taxes are going to be a little bit different depending on the state that you're located in, but we're talking about federal taxes, okay? So that's what I want to point out really quickly. Also, I need to throw this disclaimer out there really fast. This is not tax, legal, accounting, financial advice in any way, shape, or form. I do not know your situation, but I'm giving general information here in regards to taxes on Social Security benefits. All right, now that we have that out of the way, let's get into the numbers here, okay? So it depends on your income, okay? It's all dependent on your income. Now, I want to point this out really fast here. It is based on your AGI, adjusted gross income. Wait, what? What is that? Yeah, let me explain really quickly, okay? Your AGI is basically all of your income added all up minus deductions, okay? That is your AGI, adjusted gross income. Now again, you might want to talk to your accountant, your CPA, somebody like that. They will be able to talk you through all those details, but that is essentially your AGI, all income added up minus deductions. All right, this is what it's based on, okay? So it also depends on if you're an individual or if you are a married couple. I'll give you all the numbers here. All right, so let's work through the numbers here. I'm gonna maybe slow down a second here because these are some big numbers here, a lot of details that you need to know about. All right, so here's what it comes down to. As an individual, 50% of your benefits are taxable if your income is between $25,000 and $34,000, okay? 50% of your benefit is taxable, which, by the way, this is not a 50% tax bracket, but rather a 50% of your benefit is taxable. Big difference there, okay? All right, so that's as an individual. Now, if you are a married couple, 50% of your benefits are taxable if your income is between $32,000 and $44,000 as a married couple. 50% of your benefit is taxable. Again, not a 50% tax bracket, okay? All right, so that is what it is for individuals and married couples at the 50% level. Now, guess what? There's an 85% level. Are you excited yet? I know. No. The answer is no. You're not excited, okay? I'm just answering for you right now, okay? We all know this, which, by the way, these laws were last updated in 1993. Good old Bill Clinton did it, okay? Anyway, that was a long time ago. Anyway, all right, now let's talk about 85%. Yes, up to 85% of your benefits are taxable if your income is above certain thresholds as an individual or a married couple. That's what I want to talk about here, okay? Which, by the way, let me clarify one more time really fast, which is 85% of your benefits taxable, not an 85% tax bracket, which, by the way, there's no such thing, okay? Just want to clarify that because there is a huge difference between between 85% of benefits being taxable and 85% tax bracket, okay? Just want to make that very clear. All right, so here's what it comes down to. If you are an individual and your income is above $34,000, now 85% of your Social Security benefit is now taxable, okay? Now, if you are a married couple and your AGI, your adjusted gross income, is above $44,000, 85% of your benefits are now taxable by the federal government, as in the IRS, okay? Please take these numbers into consideration. So remember, this is all based on your total income and your adjusted gross income, as in total income minus deductions is your adjusted gross income, and that is what it comes down to, okay? So if you have an accountant, a CPA, something like this, they should be able to help you through all these details. And again, if your income as an individual or a married couple is below these levels, then how much tax do you pay on your Social Security benefit? The answer is none. Not bad, right? So again, these are the details I want to bring to your attention here in this video, because there's a lot of times that many people out there receiving Social Security don't realize, wait, my benefits are taxable? I had no clue. I thought I paid taxes going into Social Security. Why am I paying taxes now again coming out? Well, that's the rule. That's the rule that they have in place right here, right now. So again, I want you to be aware of this. This is very important, so make sure to take this into consideration. But again, you may have an accountant. Maybe you're somebody that pounds out your taxes on one of these at-home software programs or something like this. Again, please take all this into consideration. It is good information to know, but at the same time, just kind of keep in the back of your mind if this is the situation that you're going to be dealing with. So you have these details here, okay? There's a lot of confusing parts about this. As you saw here, there's a lot of numbers, dollar amounts, percentages, things like this, but I hope this breaks it all down for you. Now, if you have any questions about this, make sure to leave a comment down below. And again, I will do my best to answer that for you or come back in a dedicated video and follow up to that as well. Now, really quickly as well, there are multiple pieces of legislation in Congress right now to remove federal taxes on Social Security benefits. Now, as of this recording, they are not passed yet. However, this is something that they're still talking about and something that would be really beneficial for a lot of beneficiaries if they were not taxed on the federal level. But again, this is federal, okay? Remember, the state level also has taxes, okay? It depends on the state you're located in. Not all states have state taxes on Social Security. A lot of states don't actually, okay? But again, it's going to depend on the state you're located in, if they tax Social Security benefits, and at what level they tax Social Security benefits, right? So again, that's dependent on your local state. Anyway, hope this one helps you. Again, make sure to subscribe down below. Share the video with your friends from my social media. This is very important information to share with other people so they're also aware of this information. And again, go back and check out any of the other thousands upon thousands of videos here on the channel. And again, thanks for being here. Truly appreciate it. I want to do whatever I can for you here in this community. We've got to stick together right now. And again, have a nice day. Catch you again later in the next video. And take care. Have a good one. And I'll see you again.